Looking for the right vehicle? Check out
The 2020 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, traction control, power lift gate, dual airbags, air conditioning, panoramic moonroof, alloy wheels, heated rear seats, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes. Feel the rush of adrenaline as you accelerate into the future.